What is up, guys? Britt's Hobby Shop back for another video, and I found this at the bank and I want to see if it's worth any more than face value. Now, as you can see, it is a star note, so let's go ahead and go to Star Note Lookup to see what it's worth. Alright, so we're going to navigate to google.com and then type in the search bar Star Note Lookup, and then you can go ahead and select enter. Now go to mycurrencycollection.com. All right, scroll up and you're going to put the information in for your bill. So mine is a $20 bill. It's 2017 series. And now I'm going to enter the serial number. So NJ00113628 and then asterisk. And then I'm going to select look up my star note. Okay, so as you can see, it looks like it is on the more rare side, guys. And so this would be a bill that I would actually want to hang on to see if I could get more money for it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.